back to my channel, and this is me, your teacher in dressmaking and tailoring here on YouTube. And it's been a while since I last uploaded my video, and today I'm going to teach you on how to make a blouse without a pattern. Let's get started. These are the things needed here for this project. I have here the measurement paper. Measurements needed are shoulder, bust line, hip measurement, armhole, sleeve length, the blouse length, and the neck depth of the front. And then this is the design. It's just a simple blouse. There's no dart because our material is lace without lining and without a dart. This is the material which I'm going to use. I'm going to show you on how to make a blouse without using a pattern. So this is our material. Okay, and these are the tools needed. This hip curve, the L square, we have the scissors for fabric, we have the tape measure, ruler, and tailor's chalk. You see the edge of the fabric. This is the selvage. This is the right side. Here is gold print, and this is the wrong side. So I'm going to cut this later on. This scallop style here at the selvage. Okay. The first thing to do is to fold the fabric. I'm going to use this part. Since there's no opening in front, I'm going to do this way only. This part will serve as our hemline, and this part will serve as our shoulder, this area on my right side. Okay, I have to check if the measurement is enough for the one I folded. So I'll just give a try. It's more than enough for the allowance. You see here, can you see this part here on the left side? There is a scallop. I'll be cutting it later, and you're going to base the measurement from this edge of this scallop to get the length. I'm going to cut the front first. The length is 26, so the measurement for this part is 25 there. Why 25? The back is higher than the front. I'll just get 25 here. Okay, and then draw perpendicular line here like this. But you're going to make or to draw another perpendicular line above this one, 1 inch distance. Okay, there, here. Then draw another perpendicular line. Get the measurement of the shoulder. My shoulder is 15. I don't like very broad here. And the basic for this part is 3 inches. Okay, like that. Connect these two. There, from the corner of this end of the shoulder and then neck hole, this part. Okay, and then get it's like 16 inches on the waistline, so you are going to measure 3 inches below waistline to locate the hip measurement here. And for the bust point, I'll consider it 10 inches for the bust point here. Then I'll draw one perpendicular line here for the bust point. And you have to get the 1/4 of the bust measurement, that is 42. Take the 1/2 of that 42, and half of the 42 is 21, and take the other half, it's 10.5. Okay, there you have to mark it there, and then you're going to add 3/4 inch here. Okay, and then I'm going to get the 1/4 of the hip measurement, it's 47. You're going to divide it into 4. The half of it is 23.5, and take the half again to get the 1/4. It is 11 3/4. So you're going to mark the 11 3/4 on this area. See, this one I didn't mark the waistline here because there's no dart. Okay, I'm going to connect this now with the use of the hip curve. It's just like this. Check it. Okay, and when you reach this part on the hip, you turn this hip curve here, like that. It's quite dim for the mark. Okay, now let's proceed to the neckline, or to the neck hole, neck part. I want that the hole is 5 inches here, and I want to have it wide on the shoulder. I mean the neck hole on the shoulder, this part. No need to move this one here, just mark it here. Okay, and then if you don't have the French curve at home, you can do this manually, like this. Okay, and for the armhole is 19.5. I'm going to show you on how to do this, like a trial and error. Mark this first for the back mark, for the side seam, like this. Okay, this will serve as your back, and this is for the front. Now you're going to get the armhole measurement. It's 19.5. Get it from here, check it from here. This is a trial and error. Do it this way. Okay, you connect this one to this, but make it sure that it's curved to get the measurement. And for the back, you have to locate it here. So this one is wide, so we'll make it a bit higher here on this area. See, then from there, okay, exact. So this one, you use your hip curve here. This one is my mark, and then do it this way. Just mark it until there. I have marked here, and then use your French curve on the lower part. Do it this way. You have to connect at the front. This outer mark is the front, okay? And okay, I'm done with the front. As easy as that. Okay, let's pin it and cut. Leave 3/8 for the allowance here. Just leave ½ inch here on the shoulder, and on the armhole just leave 3/8. the sides, just leave ½ inch. Okay. That's it. This is now our front. Next, we are going to pattern this one to the back, but there is quite difference on the shoulder and even on the neckline. I'm going to show you now. This is now for our back. Now I'm going to put this on top of the fabric and pattern it. This is the front, which I placed on top of the other fabric for the back. Now I'm going to mark here. It's only ½ inch distance. Mark 2 perpendicular lines here with a distance of ½ inch there. And then there, you're going to connect this for the back. That's for the back. And now we are going to cut for the neckline at the back. Move 2 inches below the end of the line of your back shoulder. Then connect these two here like this. And then for this one, don't follow this mark here. You are going to move it away there, at least 5/8 outward from the mark of the front. Okay, and then take this mark, but before that you are going to trace this back mark here on the sides first. Okay, there, like this. Okay, and here. So that is the mark for the back. Now use this hip curve here, this area, and the French curve to connect this armpit mark like this. Okay, we're ready for cutting like this. Have to cut it, leave 3/8 here for the allowance of the stitches, and here shoulder, it is ½ inch only, and on the armhole will be 3/8 only. Okay, and here will be ½ inch. Okay, this is it. This is now for the back. This is for the back, and this is for the front. Now I'm going to cut the sleeves. The sleeve length is 16, 3/4 sleeve. Going to mark it there. Then go down for 4.5 inches. Then mark it here. Then the armhole is to get the measurement of the armhole there, and then I'm going to make it 10 here, so this here. Okay, then this part from this mark, connect here there, take the half, then do it manually. Okay, like this. You practice yourself or without the use of the French curve here. Okay, you can do it this way. Okay, I'm gonna cut it now. Then here is one half of the side. pattern this sleeve here to get another piece. There, pattern it. Cut it. Here, we are almost done. Then this, then you are going to open this too and cut the front. This part will be reduced. Okay, it will serve as our front. So this is from the center. There only. Okay. Okay, we're done. Then we have to cut the line of the sleeves and the body. But before that, I'm going to get the facing first. We have to pattern the cut materials on the neckline. Okay. We're going to do it this way. So I'll pattern the front first. Let's do the shape facing. Measure it with 2 inches. Round it. Then cut. Then cut the back. I'm going to pattern this neckline for the facing. It must be same shape. Okay, measure this also 2 inches.